Okay, today we are looking at multiplying polynomials. I'm going to talk and focus on this box method or the area model. It is similar to how I explained the distributive property. Now we're just going to have a bigger box. So what does it mean to find the area? Multiply length times width. In our example of the box, we're finding out the inside space. Okay, so if we find the total area of this figure, we would do 3 times 2 to get 6, 3 times 7 and get 21, 5 times 2 to get 10, 5 times 7 to get 35. Okay, then we can just add all of these up. So 6 plus 21 plus 10 plus 35. Okay. So that's going to give us, let's see, 6 plus 21 is going to be 27, plus 10 plus 35, we get 37, so 72. Right? Yep, 72 is our final answer for our area of that figure. So for this method, what we're going to do, we're going to find the area of each small box and then find the area of the whole box or the whole by combining all of the areas of the small boxes. Okay, to do that, we're going to combine those like terms. Okay, so we're going to look at this example we have here. So using the box method, find the product of x plus 4 times x plus 2. Okay, by finding the area of each individual box and then adding them together, each binomial has 2 terms. So we're going to do one of them on the top, one of them on the side. Okay. And then we're going to multiply. So we're going to do x times x. So we do x times x, and that's going to give us x squared. Okay. Then we do x times 4, and that's going to give us 4x. Then we do the side times the side, so 2 times x, 2x, and then 2 times 4 to get 8. Okay, so now that we have the area of each small box, we're now going to add them all up. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8, okay? We're then going to combine our like terms, so 4x and 2x. So x squared plus 4x plus 2x is going to give us 6x plus 8. Okay, so that is how we're going to multiply these polynomials. You just are going to use your area model and then add and combine the like terms. So looking at these examples down here, we have x plus 3 times x plus 5. Let's see if I can zoom in, not being too aggressive. Let's see, hopefully that's a little bit better. Okay, so x plus 3 times x plus 5. So we have x plus 5, x plus 3. And then we're just going to find the area of each box. So x times x, we're going to get x squared. X times 5, we get 5x. 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times 5 is 15. So then we're going to bring this out of the box. So x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. We then combine our like terms. X squared doesn't have any, so that comes down. 5x and 3x are the like terms, so that gives us 8x, and then plus 15. This is our final answer when we multiply the polynomial. Okay, in this next one we have x plus 4 times x minus 3. So x minus 3, x plus 4. It does not matter if you did your x plus 4 on the top or the side. You just have to have both of them there. Then we're gonna find our area. So again, x times x, x squared. X times -3 is gonna give us -3x. Make sure you include that sign, that's super important. X times 4, 4x, and then 4 times -3 is going to give us -12. So once everything's multiplied out, we're gonna draw it out of the box. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12. That is a lot. So we can combine our like terms. X squared doesn't have any. -3x, +4. That's going to give us +1x or positive x, and then minus 12. Okay? So we have now multiplied 1, 2, 3 polynomials. I want you to pause the video and work through this one, okay? Find the area of x plus 1 times x minus 1, okay? Or find the product when you multiply these two polynomials. Hit pause, and then once you've done it, hit play to check your work. Okay, so we should have done x plus 1, x minus 1. We should have labeled our sides with those two binomials. And then we're going to do x times x to get x squared, 1 times x to get positive x, -1 times x to get negative x, and then -1 times positive 1 gives us -1. We bring that all out, so x squared plus x minus 1. We combine our like terms. A positive x and a negative x is going to give us 0x. We don't need to write that. So I simplified it to x squared minus 1. Okay. And then this very last one is a little bit different because one of the variables now has an x or has a coefficient. So we label our sides. We have x minus 2 and then 2x minus 6. We're going to find the area of each of these. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times -2, -4x. -6 times x is -6x. -6 times -2, +12. So 2x squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 12. We're going to combine our like terms. So we get 2x squared minus 10x plus 12. So that is how I suggest using to multiply polynomials. I think it's the most visual and helpful way for you guys. And then if you get to where you have a polynomial that's maybe 3 terms, so let's say we have x plus 2 times x squared plus 7x minus 5. Okay, we can then make it a 2 by 3. So we have x and plus 2, and then x squared plus 7x, and then minus 5. So you will have more terms to multiply, but it's still doable with the box method. This always works, so that's why I really like this method. Okay, you guys are gonna practice these now. Good luck.